In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify store. With the ever-increasing importance of visual content in e-commerce, adding a video to your store can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience, increase engagement, and help in boosting your sales. Whether it's a product demonstration, customer testimonials, or a behind-the-scenes look at your brand, having a video can make a world of difference. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. I'll guide you through the process step by step in just about 5 minutes. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Shopify's main page. This is where you begin the journey of enhancing your online store with a video. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, your next move is to log into your account. Look for the login button to proceed. It's crucial that you have your store credentials handy for a smooth login process. Remember, being logged in ensures that you're in full control of customizing your store's look and functionalities. After successfully logging in, you might be prompted to highlight certain information or navigate through your admin dashboard. Don't worry, this is all part of Shopify's intuitive interface designed to make managing your store as seamless as possible. Following this, you'll come across the option to continue with email, or in some cases, other methods to continue. It's important here to choose the method most convenient for you, keeping security and accessibility in mind. If you have multiple email accounts or methods associated with your Shopify store, choose the one that you check most frequently to not miss any crucial updates from Shopify. Now, if this is your first time using Shopify, or if you've recently cleared your cookies, you might be required to choose an account to log in with. Make sure to select the account associated with your Shopify store. This ensures all changes you make are saved and applied to the correct store. Once you're logged in and set, navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard and look for the My Store section. Now it's time to begin the actual customization process. To get to the section where you can add a video, click on the Online Store option. This is where all the magic happens regarding how your store looks and feels to visitors. Following the online store selection, you'll want to click on Customize. This takes you into the theme editor of Shopify, a powerful tool that allows you to make real-time edits to your store's theme, including adding videos, changing layouts, and customizing color schemes, among other things. Now, in the theme editor, your focus should shift to adding a new section. Shopify's theme editor is laid out in a way that sections dictate the structure of your page. Look for the Add Section button. Clicking this will bring up a variety of content blocks and sections you can add to your store. Among these options, find and click on Video. This specific option allows you to embed a video directly onto your Shopify store. Whether this video lives on YouTube, Vimeo, or any other platform, Shopify provides a straightforward way to incorporate it into your store. Once you've clicked on Video, you'll likely need to input the URL of the video you wish to add. Ensure the video URL you're using is correct and that the video is set to public on its hosting platform to be viewable on your Shopify store. After adding the video, the all-important step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This action ensures that all the hard work you've just put in is not lost, and that your video will now appear on your Shopify store for all your visitors to see. And just like that, you've added a video to your Shopify store. It's amazing how a simple addition can transform the look and feel of your store, making it more engaging and informative for your customers. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to ensure your video adds the most value to your store. First, ensure the video is of high quality, both in terms of its visual and content aspects. A well-produced video can significantly enhance your brand's image. Secondly, keep it concise and engaging. Your customers are there to shop, not to watch a feature-length film. And lastly, regularly update your content. Keeping things fresh can keep customers coming back to see what's new. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through the process of adding a video to your Shopify store. Remember, it's all about enhancing the customer experience and showcasing your products or brand in the best light possible. Happy selling!